Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to DJ's Workshop. So today we're going to be putting some new tires on the FJ Cruiser. I've had the vehicle about 6 years now, and I did put some new tires on it when I got it, but I think it's time to swap them out. So stay with us, and I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, so when I bought this vehicle, it did come with some BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and these are good tires, but the ones that were on there were getting old, and you can see they got a lot of dry rot cracks in them. So this one was basically just a spare tire, just in case. But we're going to get rid of this one, and I'll show you what I have on there currently. So when I bought the vehicle 5 years ago, or 6 years ago, I put these on here. These are Toyo Open Country AT tires, and they've been great. I probably have about 40,000 miles on these tires, and you can see there's still decent tread. I mean, they're probably, I don't know, maybe 2/3 worn. I could definitely get another season out of them if I wanted to, but I've started to notice there's a little bit of dry rotting going on in between. It's not really that bad, but I did notice also I'm starting to get a little bit of wave in the tread on the inside. So it is starting to give me a little bit of road noise and a little bit of vibration. So with winter coming, I'm going to go ahead and take these off. We're going to put some brand new tires on here, and that way we'll be all set. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these rims and tires and swap it out for the back one, so that way I'll have a nice spare on here and get rid of that dry rotted one. All right, so let me show you what we're going to be putting on here. All right, so like I said, I have the Toyo ATs on there, and they've been a really good tire, and I like them, and I'd probably get them again. When I had my Jeep, I used the Neo grapplers, and those were good tires too, but I just wanted to try something different this time. So what I ended up going with is these Falken Wildpeaks, and these are a 265/75/16. I did a lot of research on these tires and got a lot of great reviews on them. They have a 60,000 mile tread life on them, and it's supposed to be really great in the rain and really good in the snow. They have a nice bite to them. You know, there's reading all kinds of stuff about how they, offset the lugs and, the different patterns and things that they have, and they're supposed to be really good. So I'm going to give these a shot. They were pretty comparably priced, maybe a little bit cheaper, but not much. So I'm going to bring these down to my local shop that does some work for me sometimes, and we'll have them put them on there, and we'll see how it looks. And I think that'll be a good tire for around here up in New England. So here's what here's what the truck looks like right now with the open countries on there. So once we get the other tires on there, we'll see how it looks. I think it's going to look pretty similar, pretty much same size, but we'll give them a shot and see how they perform. Maybe I'll do a review after a while. I mean, 10, 20,000 miles or whatever, we'll see. But like I say, these tires have been really good. I would definitely buy them again and recommend them. But I just want to try something a little bit different this time. So let's get it down to the shop and get them swapped out. Alright, so we're going into town here. We're going to go to my local garage and have them mount these tires up and do the alignment on it. This local garage here, they specialize in Volkswagens, which is pretty awesome, because if I need something done to the van, I can just bring it down here and they can take care of it for me. They know what they're doing. But they also work on other vehicles too, which is nice. So let's pull on in here. This is East Coast Auto Sales and Service, and a bunch of nice guys here. So let's find a parking spot. We'll go in, say hi, and get these things taken care of, and then I'll show you what they look like on the vehicle. So one cool thing about this shop that I go to is they have a lot of cool things inside, like little statues or whatever you want to call them, and they're all made out of automotive parts. So it's pretty cool to check out what this guy made. So let me show you what they got laying around here. Alrighty, so we got the new tires mounted on here. I think they look really good. Got a nice deep aggressive tread to them. So we'll give these guys a shot, see how they do. Like I say, they're rated for like 60,000 miles. They do have some nice bite to them, especially even on the sidewalls. Get the nice raised letters on here. Some nice grip here also. So they get some good reviews, and even the guy that mounted them said he had them on his truck and he loved them. So hopefully it'll be a great addition. We'll see what happens this winter with the snow and that, and maybe I'll give you guys a review a little bit later down the line. All right, guys, if you're thinking about getting these Wildpeaks, the Falkens, give them a shot. I mean, I think it's going to be a good deal. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, a share, a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.